sorry. Where is hit? No. Okay, what pizza? Okay, I'll give you that. Okay, I will say it, and then you should give me the picture. Okay, hit the game. Hit the game. Hit the game. No, hit. Hit the game. Yes, that's about hitting. Very good. Next. Cut the stick. Cut the stick. Okay, what's that again? What is that? Okay, next. Hurt his finger. Hurt his finger. Hurt his finger. Okay, what's that again?
Hurt finger.
Okay, hurt his finger. Again, please.
Hurt his finger.
Okay. Next. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Okay, what's that again?
Take a picture.
Okay, next. Think about something. Think about something. Think about something. No, that is ask a question. Think about something. Okay, what's that again?
Think about something.
Very good.